and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a natural deodorant that just has 3 ingredients. You can add more, but basic recipe, it has 3 ingredients. And it's really good because most deodorants will have toxic chemicals and toxic ingredients that will disrupt your hormones and will create even more hormonal imbalance or health issues like inflammation. Or, for example, if you have smelly armpits, they're gonna make your armpits even more smelly. So let's dive deeper into how to make this. And before doing that, let me tell you a little secret. You are supposed to sweat. Like, we have to sweat. Like, sweating is totally natural. What you might want to avoid is the smell that comes with the sweat. But the smell is just you flushing out toxins. So the more toxins you have in your body, the more smelly your sweat will be. With this recipe, I can guarantee you, your armpits will sweat, but you're not going to smell. So you're going to smell amazing, like coconut. It's really easy. I do this like once every 3 months and it lasts me 3 months or even 4 months. So let's just go right into how to do this. So for the ingredients, we have 20 grams of bicarbonate. For the bicarbonate, you can also use arrowroot powder. That's the same. And for my American and non-European friends, I'll put you the cups measure right here. Then you have 50 grams of cornstarch, or you can use rice starch or anything like that. And then you have 50 grams of organic cold press, non-perfumed, just cold pressed coconut oil. All you need is to grab a bigger bowl and then put your cornstarch first, like that. You want to put your bicarbonate, like that, and you want to mix it a little bit. And the cool thing about making deodorant in your home is that you can follow the rule that if you can't eat it, you shouldn't even put that in your body or on your body. So you can eat everything, so you can put this on your body without having hormonal problems or hormonal disruptors, especially if you have PCOS, insulin resistance, lactose resistance, you can't sleep very well, you have weight to lose and you just want to be healthy, or you have lots of inflammation. This is great for you because it will allow you to make deodorant without the side effects of the toxins. And then you just put the coconut oil and you want to mix it. And it doesn't need to be extremely soft or extremely hard. It should be a mix in between. It should be something you can manage and you can, like with your finger, you can make a little bowl. That's basically it. Now you can add, I know people add a little bit of avocado oil, and they also add some essential oils. You can add peppermint, mint, lemon, orange, or whatever, citrus, like whatever essential oil you may like. And that's basically it. Now you take your container and you basically put this into your container. If the coconut oil was more solid than mine, because right now, even if it's autumn, it's hot here in Italy. So if your coconut oil was more solid than mine, you don't have to melt it. Like, you can just use your spoon and really melt it with your spoon, so it's not really that liquid. And that's basically it. You can see the consistency is like cream actually. And if you want to like have a taste, you can just take a little bit on your finger, and as you can see, it doesn't really stick. And then you apply it to your armpits like that. Really easy, doesn't irritate the skin at all. If you're really sensitive to bicarbonate, you can switch to arrowroot powder. But anyway, you just put it, and as you can see, you just need a little bit. It's like a baby cream. And you're gonna smell amazing, I can guarantee you. If you have any clothes, you might want to wait like 1 or 2 minutes before putting something on your armpits, so you make sure you're not leaving stains. But that's basically it. I really hope you like this video, and let me know in the comments what questions do you have, if you're gonna try this, if you've ever tried that, and if you have